starts now.
And we begin tonight with iTeammate and Richard Allen's attorneys accusing police of destroying evidence that prove Allen's innocence.
iTeammate's Cody Fisher is combing through the documents to find out what that means for this case.
Allen's attorneys say that police either intentionally or negligently deleted interviews of two men that they say are actually the ones responsible for killing Abby Williams and Libby German.
Richard Allen's attorneys are just diving right back in.
If the allegations in the motion are proven to be true, how serious of an issue is that?
That is something that never should happen.
Jody Madeira is a law professor at Indiana University. She says Allen's attorneys would likely still have to prove that the taped interviews of the two men actually contained evidence proving Allen's innocence. iTeammate is not naming the two men because they have not officially been charged with a crime, but they are the same two men Allen's attorneys previously accused of committing the murders during their filing detailing the killings as a religious ritual done by Odinists. In the filing today, Allen's attorneys say they've found new search warrant applications filled out by police in 2017 for the two men's cell phone records, but those search warrants were never completed. They said these suspicious facts further call into question the circumstances surrounding the destruction of key videotape statements of the two men and support Richard Allen's motion to dismiss all charges filed by the state of Indiana. Madeira says it's not uncommon for police to create warrant applications and then not use them.
They often work ahead in a sense, and warrants might not be filed just because they're prepared. That just generally means that the police decide to go down an alternate path.
Allen's attorneys have asked Judge Gull for a hearing to decide if the charges will be dropped, but Madeira says there are other issues that will likely take priority before that happens.
It remains to be seen whether the defendants are going to take further action seeking to disqualify the judge. I believe it's likely they will. And I also believe it's likely that Judge Gull will proceed on her own behalf to attempt to remove the defense attorneys, but using a different procedure.
One of the reasons why Allen's attorneys are so fixated on these deleted interviews is because initially one of the suspects told police that he had never met Abby Williams back in 2017, but when that person was re-interviewed by police in 2023, he changed his tune, saying that he barely knew her and that he'd only met her once. Reporting in Indianapolis, Cody Fisher, Wish TV, iTeammate.